The JKs, the problematic shift knobs that won't come off. There's a notch that the shift knob attaches to right here. I don't know why everyone is taking apart a shift knob, the bottom piece, the top piece, the rubber. I don't even know what anything else comes apart, but it's not necessary. All you need is a brain and a tool. And in this case, it's going to be a strap wrench. The best way of doing it without damaging the shift knob of scratches and probably reuse if you really want to use it again. Just give it a twist to either direction, a little force, the plastic will bend a little bit inside, and after wiggling back and forth, just a little bit, if not a little bit more, you should be able to give a little yank off. Ta-da. You're welcome. And this is it.